Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I beat the storm. It does look like a nasty one. They did change the pattern. Everybody is taking off into this for some reason. That is awesome looking. It is time for some time lapse. Oh yeah, lightning. Oh baby. This is the kind of stuff the dreams are made of. Anybody gonna take off on my side? Probably not. Pretty badass, huh? This storm is getting more and more badass by the minute. And there is like no activity out here either. Somebody's landing this. We're gonna try to capture that. There's that rain shaft. Oh man! That's where the rain starts there. Okay, let's see who's trying to make it in. This is the only thing I see. Wait, there's something here. Oh, yeah. Whoa, that's weird. They usually land on that runway. I think he's landing on the departure runway. Shit. Damn, I'm getting blown around. Turbulence, holy fuck. I am getting buffered by big time turbulence here. This guy's got it. He can make it. He's going to make it in before the storm. Nice. That's a good catch considering the conditions. Just look at this shit. Wow. I don't know if that's really moving in my direction or if it's just stalled out there. Wow. I am not seeing a whole lot of action. There's some takeoffs coming off the north runway. I guess they're not quite in line with this, but man, it doesn't really matter to me. This is awesome. Look at this shit. It's spitting out lightning and all sorts of cool cloud formations. You can see the back of it back here. At least you can see through it anyway. People are landing. We do have landers. Let's see. Looks like they're coming down at my OTP Dumping Grounds. I might have to go back that way because I don't want to be paying for this shit. I want to be paying, you know. Another 75. Let's watch them come in. Because I really don't have anything better. Nice, 7-5. Coming on in, when a severe thunderstorm is right to our east, or to our west rather. A little more action, okay, coming in closer. It's alright by me. There's just lightning all around. That's way cool. Nice landing, and let's zoom back out so we can see the weather. It's fantastic. This is the fantastic stuff that I love so much. Especially this rain shaft. I mean, good God, that is a very, very, very heavy amount of rain dropping all at once. I think they have flash flood warnings down there. Technically I do too, but obviously it's missing me. Well, here's your plane spotting update. The storm that was to my south seems to have fizzled a bit, but I got something even worse now to the north. That is a dirty one right there. That's actually probably right over the heart of the city, if not a little bit to the east. Definitely hammering my place right now. Pretty sweet looking, and yet they're still taking off that north side. Pretty sweet, isn't it? Oh, wow, all the lightning. Oh, how overstimulating. I bet the delays are monstrous. See, look at this. Here goes this guy. Everybody's coming off the north side. Ain't nobody taking off down here. Look at him right up against that cloud. Crazy. Lightning. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, we're just grabbing them off the north because that's where they're going, and there's pretty cool lightning in the background, so this might be cool. just skirting that severe storm right there, just barely skirting it. See, totally, just barely skirting this damn thing. That is a bad one. And another one. Cutting it close. Okay, it's raining hard over there. Oh shit, it's about to start raining hard on me too. You can see it coming. Watch this thing come, this is cool. Oh shit. Okay, it's starting to rain down some fat drops. Let's see if we can't get on this guy before we have to bail. Oh shit, yeah, now it's really coming down. I'm getting wet immediately. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna have to take this thing under cover now. Damn, buddy. Good landing. Alright, time to bail, time to bail. Yeah, I'm thinking the big D. A little sideways, a little crosswind, I guess. He's handling that crosswind alright. Even with his side stick. Stupid side stick. I am now without a mobile Doppler. And, oh shit! That was right above me. So I'm without a Doppler and without FlightAware. My phone's out of batteries. Good God, that lightning bolt was right on me. Jeez. Woo! Right on the final approach course, too. I wonder if those guys saw that. Wow. Impressive. Closer. I want to see if he's nervous. He seems to be taking it all in stride. I'd be nervous if I had a side stick. Especially one that's not hooked up to anything. Like flying with a mouse. But hey, they're good at it, it looks like. You know, made quick work of that crosswind. Alright, I really want to get some heavies up in here. Come on. Very nice. Dude. Oh, it's a 400. You can definitely do this. You can hang. You got this. Don't worry. It ain't no thing. You're all over it, man. You got this, baby! Yeah! Yes, you got this. Totally. You are a 400. They don't give you those raked wingtips for nothing. It means you're a grade A badass. That's what that means. Good work. Thank you. Oh, who are you with? Who are you with? Oh, no. Let's back it off. Sorry, I'll back off. I won't be so aggressive. Just tell me who you with. Because you don't look like my Delta. You look like something cool. Wait a minute. So Spirit? Are you Spirit? Wearing your business casual attire for the thunderstorm? There it is. Spirit dressed for a meeting in his business casual attire. That's right. He's got an important meeting tonight. He's got to wear that business cash, baby. Party's tomorrow. That ain't no Delta. I can't really tell when they're head on like that. Who in the hell? Oh, Spirit again? What the fuck? Did you go around? There are two of you for your business meeting. Whoa, double Spirit. Never see that. Probably a result of all of the delays. Also incompetence on Spirit's part. probably forgot they already had another flight already here. Damn, American snuck up on me. Woo, American, you're sneaky. Can't believe I just let that one slip right through my radar. My onboard radar, because my phone is dead and so is FlightAware, and so is my Doppler. So we don't know what the hell's coming, but we know we're having fun. Well, we know this one's not a 300. Look at that bank. I kind of like that though. There we go, I think you're on it. You're straightened up pretty good. I'm waving you on in. Oh, banking again. Abort, 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 do something cool. Come on, abort it. Oh, yeah, he's just a banking fiend. Just a banking fiend. Look, there he goes again. All right. There we go. There we go. Come on, Sabi, you got this. Man, you make it look easy. Make it look like there's not even a damn crosswind out here, or the wake turbulence from the 757 that came right before you. You do great work, Sabi. Oh, kicking the tripod. Oh dear. Sorry, Sabi. Hope that didn't ruin anything. Those thunderstorms out there are getting bigger, see? They're multiplying. Things growing. Attack. Attack! Whoa, bad attack. Get on it. There we go. Now we're lined up. There we go. A failed attack, but I think the overall offensive might be okay. Umbrella! Say umbrella! You never ever want to let your audience see your umbrella. It's like letting somebody see your penis. It's just horrible. Even if it's the biggest umbrella in the history of mankind, you never want somebody to see it. Oh, very, very nice. Thank you. You could potentially be one to leave on, because I need to leave at this point. I've been out here for a while. At least I'm not paying, but very good. Sure would like a heavy, you know? I mean, is that too much to ask? I got the one, but I'd love it if I got some Air France or some British Airways or KLM, or I don't see any clues. I mean, he doesn't have the winglets. So, I mean, that's the only sign that we can tell. Looking at him straight on like this, even when you look at him from an oblique angle, it's still hard to tell. But I don't think he's a 300. I think he's a run-of-the-mill 757, 200, back from Tampa or someplace like that. He's not going to do anything exciting either. Do something exciting, come on. Well, hot God! Hot God! Oh my God! Whoa, 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 whoa. That blew my mind. Mind blower. Nice one, thank you. Alright, Sky Team. Looks like you're not really dealing with a whole lot of a crosswind anymore. Yes, you are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Very good. Down the lights, and home you are. Impress the hell out of me, US Air. I know you can do it. You always do. Good work. Oh, Cactus. Oh, I love you. Nice one. Don't screw it up now. Hopefully we're in focus. Yeah, we are. We're good. We're really good. Here he comes. My grand finale and his landing lights. Now that was good. Now I will feel secure going home, getting some dinner, and having a good night. I'm gonna zoom it out just in case we get see some more lightning here. That would be a really nice addition. There, right? There we go. See, it's coming out of that right there. And on to him. Wow. What a freaky looking sky that is. Oh, wow. I like that too. That's really neat looking. Crazy fucking day, eh? Alright, American, my fave. You're gonna go land on that weird runway with the weird sky behind it, aren't you? It's been a weird one today, buddy. Weird sky, really weird clouds. Very weird clouds. See right there, that's weird. Weird clouds, right?